See you next time.
Story time naman, paano kayo nagkakilala?
It started approximately last year. First meetup was somewhere in McKinley.
Because I had my checkup in Shinagawa. And then you're nearby.
I'm nearby.
So before the event, we
before the
met.
event,
Pero mabilis lang
we
talaga
just
because I
ate.
had an event.
Really quickly.
Paano kanya nilagawan?
I went to her house and
How about in Tagalog?
pumunta ako sa bahay niya, nagdala ko ng gitara, bigas.
That's not true.
And the usual courtships na I asked her out, got to meet her family.
Naalala ko yung unang punta mo sa amin kasi ang gusto ni A nung helper na. Ang gusto ni A is magti-tiktok kayo. So nag-tiktok sila. Sumayaw siya.
Yes, we did. Nag-TikTok. No. Hiya pa ako nun.
It doesn't show.
Oh,
Parang normal sa'yo yung ginagawa.
no. I don't really TikTok. It's only upon request.
Sino ang host sa kasal niyo?
You don't want to host your own wedding. You want to feel like a bride. Everybody should want to have that special moment where somebody's taking care of them and all the host and coordination.
I was actually thinking I want you to be the host but you have to speak Filipino.
Ang hirap naman. Huwag naman.
Try to welcome the guests in Filipino.
Ano ba yung ano?
Malugod po namin kayong tinatanggap
Wag
sa
na.
okasyon ito.
Ang hirap naman.
Hey,
Ba't ang haba?
just give it a try.
Malagod po namin kayo tinatanggap sa okasyon na ito.
Malagod po namin kayo tinatanggap sa okasyon na ito.
It doesn't seem that you're happy.
I'm trying to make sure I have the words correctly.
Okay, try to say it again.
Malugod po namin kayo tinatanggap sa okasyon na ito.
Okay. Kaya naman, atin na pong ipagpatuloy.
Yes, I'm a local.
Prove to us as you're a local.
Anong sasabihin?
Ang ating palatuntunan.
Ang haba!
Just try to say it.
I can't do that. Ang haba! It's hard. Atin na pong, one more time.
Ang ating
Ang ating
palatuntunan.
palang tuntunan.
Kaya naman, atin na pong ipagpatuloy ang ating palatuntunan.
Can I just say it in English? Don't hurt yourself, kid.
Do you know the meaning of that sentence?
Yes.
What does it mean?
Gemini, I need you to search.
Ang cute, parehong madaldal. Si host dyan, puro tawa. Si Martin po talaga yung madaldal.
Yeah, I talk, make her laugh a lot, tell jokes. Basta yung mga kapastusan.
I see nobody, no.
Sa wakas, nagka-love life na din ang idol ko. Gusto ko yung parang sa wakas.
Tagal mo kasi hindi nga nakajowa. Kaya people were waiting for you to get in a relationship and ay,
Dalaga na ang host jam namin. Nasa 30s na ako, ngayon na ako naging dalaga. Thank you so much po sa lahat na nag-comment ng congratulations. Really appreciate all of your messages. Sa wedding agad, Mansari pa lang. Meron nga nag-comment sabi, Mansari lang yan, maghiwalay din yan. Nakakatawa to isang comment. Naku, eto na ang susunod na mabubuntis. Close na close ito kay Mami Oni.
you can't have children yet. We have to first have a house, get married, make sure that we clear your calendar for your events.
Yes. Actually, sa mga nanliligaw pa lang, yun na yung topic na hindi ako pwede mabuntis. Hindi ako pwede magkaanak. Because I have a lot of bookings po. Yung bookings po natin ay until 2028 onwards na. Hindi pwedeng bigla ko mawawala dun. Kaya hindi pa po tayo mabubuntis.
Salamat po kay Jowa. Kano ko na? Ay, sa SM, sa kamesa. I told you. Bigla ako na speechless lang. Gusto ko yung kinuwento niya yung buhay ko sa trabaho ko. Pag kinasal ka, may invited ka.
Invited siya.
Invited lahat ng tao ng Pilipinas!
Lahat ng tao ng Pilipinas.
Basta makakapunta ka sa Antarctica kami kakasalin. Gusto mo sa SM talaga. Shoppers, be ready for the wedding!
Lubos po ang aming pasasalamat sa inyong pagdalo, sa pagdiriwang na ito.
pagdalo.
Oh, go.
Uamin sa
Lubos po ang aming pasasalamat sa inyong pagdalo sa okasyon ito.
Okasyon na to.
I love you. This coming September 25, di ba po, birthday niyo yun? She just reminded us that it's gonna be my birthday next week.
Yeah, about that. The clients are wanting me at the office.
Really?
The Friday. We're flying in from the US. If not on the 25th itself,
Anyway, I have an event on that day.
probably on your next day off, we can plan dinner.
Okay.
Okay?
We'll be here, don't you cry.
I'm happy
just,
that I have the both of you
I know.
in my heart.
Exactly.
Yes, you'll be